Moringa's ability to lower blood sugar levels makes it a natural ally for diabetics. Compounds like isothiocyanates and chlorogenic acid help regulate glucose absorption, improving insulin sensitivity and maintaining stable blood sugar levels, crucial for diabetes management. Moringa supports lactation by providing essential nutrients that can enhance milk production. Its high vitamin and mineral content ensures that both the mother and baby receive optimal nourishment, making it a natural choice for breastfeeding mothers. Moringa's wound healing properties are remarkable. Packed with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory compounds, it speeds up recovery and reduces the risk of infection. Applying moringa leaf paste to wounds can significantly improve healing times and tissue regeneration. Incorporating moringa into your diet can boost energy levels and overall vitality. Its rich nutrient profile, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, provides sustained energy, helping you feel more alert and active throughout the day. Moringa tea is a popular way to enjoy the plant's benefits. Simply steep dried moringa leaves in hot water to create a nourishing, antioxidant-rich beverage that can be enjoyed any time of the day. For a quick, nutritious snack, try making moringa energy balls. Combine moringa powder with dates, nuts, and seeds to create delicious, portable treats that provide a natural energy boost and satisfy your sweet tooth. Moringa's high calcium and phosphorus content contributes significantly to bone health. Regular consumption can strengthen bones, reduce the risk of osteoporosis, and aid in faster recovery from fractures due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Moringa leaves have natural compounds that help lower cholesterol levels, promoting heart health. These compounds, such as beta-sitosterol, effectively reduce bad cholesterol while maintaining good cholesterol, thus supporting overall cardiovascular wellness. Rich in vitamins and minerals, moringa promotes healthy hair growth. Its essential amino acids nourish hair follicles, strengthening roots and reducing hair loss. Regular use can lead to thicker, shinier, and more resilient hair. Moringa's high iron content makes it an effective natural remedy for treating anemia. Its bioavailable iron is easily absorbed by the body, boosting hemoglobin levels and alleviating symptoms like fatigue and weakness associated with anemia. Moringa leaves contain compounds that can help reduce anxiety and stress. Their adaptogenic properties balance stress hormones, promoting a sense of well-being, improving mood, and enhancing mental clarity and focus. Moringa is believed to possess powerful anti-aging properties thanks to its rich antioxidant content. These antioxidants help combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and potentially slowing down the aging process, keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant. For nursing mothers, moringa can be a boon. It is known to enhance lactation, providing essential nutrients that can improve milk quality and quantity. This makes it a natural and safe supplement for postpartum care. Moringa's wound healing abilities are remarkable. Its high vitamin C content and antibacterial properties help accelerate tissue repair and reduce infection risk. Applying moringa extracts to cuts or scrapes can significantly speed up the healing process. Ready to incorporate moringa into your diet? Here are some delicious and easy-to-make recipes that showcase the versatility of this superfood. From smoothies to soups, moringa can be a nutritious addition to your meals. One popular way to enjoy moringa is in a smoothie. Blend moringa powder with your favorite fruits, a splash of almond milk, and a drizzle of honey for a refreshing and nutrient-packed drink to start your day. For a refreshing and nutritious boost, try a moringa smoothie. Blend fresh moringa leaves or powder with banana, spinach, and almond milk. Add a touch of honey for sweetness and enjoy this energizing green delight. Warm up with a comforting moringa soup. Combine moringa leaves with vegetable broth, carrots, and lentils. Simmer until the vegetables are tender. Season with salt and pepper, and relish a bowl of healthful goodness. A vibrant moringa salad is perfect for a light meal. Toss moringa leaves with cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and avocado. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. This nutrient-packed dish is both delicious and satisfying. Moringa tea is a simple yet effective way to enjoy its benefits. Steep dried moringa leaves in hot water for 5 minutes. Add a slice of lemon and a teaspoon of honey for a soothing drink. For a quick snack, make Moringa energy balls. Mix Moringa powder with dates, nuts, and coconut flakes. Roll into bite-sized balls and refrigerate. These tasty treats are perfect for a midday energy boost. The main health benefits of Moringa. Rich in nutrients. Moringa leaves are loaded with vitamins A, C, E, and minerals, calcium, potassium, iron, providing essential nutrients. High in antioxidants, contains powerful antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Anti-inflammatory properties. Moringa has natural anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body. Lowers blood sugar levels. Studies suggest Moringa can reduce blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or at risk of diabetes. Improves heart health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties can help improve heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Enhances digestive health. Moringa leaves have been traditionally used to treat digestive issues and can help alleviate constipation, gastritis, and ulcerative colitis. Supports brain health. High levels of antioxidants and vitamins E and C can support cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Boosts immune system. Moringa's rich nutrient profile, particularly vitamin C, helps strengthen the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections. Promotes healthy skin and hair. The high vitamin A and E content supports healthy skin and hair by reducing oxidative stress and providing essential nutrients for growth and repair. Aids in weight management. Moringa can help regulate metabolism, improve digestion, and provide sustained energy, aiding in weight management efforts. Incorporating Moringa into your diet, whether through leaves, powder, or capsules, can offer these significant health benefits. Subscribe for more video. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.